Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to ensure your email is visible on YouTube step by step. Go to YouTube Studio, click Customization, then Basic Info to add your email address to channel contact details. Make sure the address is professional and dedicated to inquiries rather than personal messages. Save changes and preview your channel to confirm the email displays correctly and is clickable for viewers to reach you easily. Open YouTube Studio and head straight to Customization, then Basic Info to place your email where viewers look. Add the email under Business Inquiry or Contact Details so it appears on your channel banner and About tab. Use a clear label like Business to guide viewers. After saving, visit your channel in an incognito tab to verify visibility and test the MailTow link so messages arrive as expected. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more simple tutorials. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep you comfortable during long editing sessions and shoots. I've linked that recommendation in the description along with other deals and resources for this video. Now let's get back to the video. Keep your public email safe by creating a separate account for channel contacts and enabling two-factor authentication for security. Route messages into folders or use filters to prioritize business inquiries and collaboration requests. Periodically send a test message to confirm the address, accepts mail, and that auto-replies or forwarding rules are working. Respond promptly to build trust with viewers and collaborators who reach out through the visible email address on your channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.